Hey guys, this is Aaron. Welcome to Rose Morning's channel. Today, I feel so happy to bring you one of our new flower. It's our 5D flowers bee. The bee is composed of several different flowers. If you get the flowers, you can find there are pear lily, hydrangea, Brazilian rose, and cherry blossom. As we can see that all of those flowers they belong to bright colors. You can mix all the flowers. It looks so fresh when people say it. So that this flower it also can be used for baby shower events and party events. For this flower right now, 8x8 feet is the most popular size. For other sizes, they also can be customized. So if you like this flower and want to know more about our flowers, please don't forget to subscribe our channels. Thank you. See you next time.